Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So the best way to answer these types of questions is to first of all break down the overall proposition into its individual parts so that at the end we have two propositions that we then combine to determine if we have a true or false proposition. For example, if P is false, it means negative P is actually true. Then if we are dealing with an R that is false, it means negative R is actually true. Then we are dealing with a Q that is actually true and an S that is actually true. So the disjunction PQ, this is going to be true if either P or Q are actually true. So we are dealing with a P that is false and a Q that is true, meaning this disjunction is going to be true. Then we are dealing with a Q that is true and an S that is true, meaning QS is actually true. Then we are looking at a negative R that is true and a P that is false. A P that is false. So it means negative R, P is actually true. So since the PQ is true and the QS is false, it then means PQ QS, this right here, is actually true. Then since this right here is actually true and this is also true, it means negative R, P, Q, S, this right here is also true. So since we are dealing with these two truths, it means at the end of the day, P, Q, Q, S, negative R, P, Q, S is actually true.